Hey guys, welcome to my channel coolharshith. Today I'm going to show you how to create a game using your Android phone without coding. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you like the video, like and share with your friends. Come on, let's start the video. First open your Play Store and then search struckd. Struckd. After searching, you can see that the first one, the struckd 3D game creator. I have already installed, so I'm going to open right now. So after opening the app, press the plus button that is down here, create. So I have already kept ready. So you can just add any extra items by pressing plus here. All you can see here all. So you can say, check any items you want. You can add the items and put it in your base. See guys, there are many characteristics and very many items. So I'm going to create a demo game right now. So first place the road here. So I'm going to place a road now, and you can easily create the game for your and play with your friends. And see guys, it is very easy. You should only just attach the roads and keep your characteristics and your buildings, etc. And now you can do and now you can place a car or a vehicle there. Come on, let me place a vehicle right now, and this will be the gameplay. Car controller is playable, so you can check the stats here: high health points, weight, and the color of the team. See guys, you can change even the color. So I'm going to keep red right now. So this is the cars. So come on, let's play this. Before and again, I'm going to place a character here, so it will look like a same open world game. So come on, let's play it. Oh, it is attacking me, guys. Come on, let's finish it. And we can change even the character, the playback of this guys. So defensive, if you keep defensive, or attack, if you keep defensive, you can play with that also. So play. Oh, he's attacking, guys. So you can even stats is in every characteristics. So all the team colors will be change here right now. So play. So I'm going to dash, and the graphics also is very good here. You can see the graphics here is very good, and you can do anything you want. So that's it for today. Please subscribe my channel, Harshith, and like the video. Thank you.